Today, I'm going to show you how AI agents can save your business hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars, just like they did for some of my clients. You already know that AI agents are powerful, but the real questions I notice that everyone dances around is how is this actually useful? How do you know what to properly automate? Where do you start? And more importantly, how to go about actually implementing these AI agents. So, in this video, I'm going to give you real practical solutions that you can apply to your business, not just theories. So, you'll see how AI agents can take over the repetitive tasks that are draining your time so you can focus on scaling and growing your business. Real quick, I wanted to mention that if you're a business owner and you want to leverage our AI systems to scale your business and completely eliminate your repetitive tasks, book a free call with me. I'll show you how to drive revenue, save time in your business, and ultimately scale for growth so that you can finally step away from the daily operations. Also, be sure to join my school community because I'll be providing so much other valuable resources that'll help you grow and scale your business, which I don't provide on my YouTube. So, every business has tasks that are repetitive, essential, and ultimately time consuming. Whether you're a customer support rep, sales coordinator, or maybe even a CFO, so the chief financial officer. So, you're spending hours on tasks that don't push the business forward. These are tasks that ultimately keep the business running, but they're not the ones that inspire growth. And the truth is, every hour spent on these tasks is an hour lost to innovation, strategy, and even forward thinking. So the real question is, what's the cost of not using AI? So, not just in terms of money, but in terms of potential. So, if your team is buried in repetitive task work, then you're not leveraging their full creativity. So that's where AI agents step in. So handling the routine tasks so your team can focus on driving results. When it comes to AI agents, it's not just about using new technology, it's about transforming your operations to become more efficient, agile, and scalable. So AI agents aren't just another tool in your toolkit. They're a way to multiply your team's effectiveness without adding more overhead. So think of it like this. AI agents are there to take over the repetitive tasks that slow your team down. So whether it's handling customer inquiries, sending follow-up emails, or processing invoices, AI just lets your team focus on the high impact tasks that are actually driving growth. So the real advantage is this. So by removing the bottlenecks caused by manual work, AI basically just frees up you to focus on strategy, innovation, and the bigger pictures. So I took the liberty of creating a robust mind map, just covering tons of real positions within businesses, going over the tasks that they may be operating and showing you practical solutions to using AI agents within them. So let's take a look at this first role, customer support reps. So every day your team is bogged down by repetitive tasks, whether that's answering the same questions, managing tickets, following up with unresolved cases. So these tasks just they do so these tasks they do keep the wheels turning, but are they driving real growth? No. They're distractions from the bigger pictures. So AI agents, they represent a shift in how we think about work. Imagine an agent that handles 70% of these routine tasks, responding to, frequently asked questions, resetting passwords, routing tickets. What does that really mean? It means your team can finally move beyond the endless cycle of busy work and focus on providing personalized support, solving these complex issues, and driving customer loyalty. So that's the shift that AI agents provide. They free us from the grind, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. So if we look at the potential savings, let's say you conjure up 3 or so hours saved per day, that'll translate to, roughly 900 hours annually. And let's say you employ a staff at $20 per hour. This will lead you to nearly $20,000 saved by using AI to fill these shoes. So to actually make this shift, just start small. Use different platforms out there like VoiceFlow, where you can actually create a chatbot that handles all these FAQs and troubleshooting. But anyway, next up, I wanted to get into sales coordinators. So sales teams thrive on momentum, but they often do get stuck in the weeds, doing repetitive things like logging leads, sending follow-up emails, updating the CRM, or any project management software. Every minute spent on these tasks, it's a minute not spent on closing deals. So here's where the AI agent steps in. By automating lead tracking, personalizing outreach, and logging interactions, the AI agent removes friction from your sales process. But more than that, it allows your team to focus on what they do best, which should be building relationships and driving revenue. So, this isn't just about making life easier, it's about enabling your team to operate at the highest potential. That's the real shift. It's not about doing more with less, it's about doing better with less. So here's how you can implement this. Use platforms like make.com, NAN, or even Zapier to build automated workflows. So here's how to implement. You can use low-code tools where you don't have to know a lick of coding to build these automated workflows. So make.com is one. I have plenty of tutorials that you could check out, and I go over the basics, how to build your first automation, and more. So I also have tools showing you how to build platforms on platforms like NAN, which shows you how to use some of these AI agents. Check out my most recent video going over a personal admin assistant. But anyways, you can build these automated workflows using tools like make.com that just tracks your leads, sends follow-ups, and logs your CRM updates. So you want to let AI handle the details so that your sales team can focus on actually driving results. Next up, let's take a look at the marketing coordinator. So, marketing, it's something that's often stuck in a cycle of often scheduling posts, tracking engagement, and reporting on metrics. So, these are necessary tasks, but they aren't where creativity lies. So, what if your marketing team could stop being managers of process and start being creators of ideas? So, that's what AI agents make possible. So, by automating post schedules, email campaigns, and performance reports, the agent handles the routine so your team can just dive right into the creative work that is driving growth. This is the shift. AI turns your team from task managers into actually innovators. So, how can you implement? Similar to before, you could start with tools like Zapier or Make.com to automate social media scheduling, other things like performance tracking and campaign reporting. So, I have a few videos going over how to automate your social media posting and scheduling. So, feel free to take a look at that in my AI automations playlist. But yeah, so essentially, you just want to free your marketing team to focus on the big ideas that really do move the needle. Next up is the finance officer. So CFOs, they often feels like a game of constant catch up. So generating invoices, chasing payments, reconciling accounts, these are necessary, of course, but they're not where the true value of a finance team can lie. So the real value is coming from the insights and strategy. And yet, how often is your team pulled away from those high value activities to put out fires? So AI agents change that. So by automating, the entire invoicing process, sending reminders, um, dealing with reconciliations, they handle the routine so your team can focus on forecasting, actual financial planning, and other growth strategies. So that's the transformation. AI agents don't just save time; they give your team the freedom to focus on the future, not the past. So head over to make.com, create some workflows to automatically send invoices. So I literally have a YouTube video going over how to automatically generate invoices. So you can check that out on my YouTube channel, and I'll show you how to do all of that. So ultimately, it's not just about saving hours. Of course, it is a lot of it, but it's also about shifting your focus to where it truly belongs, which is, growing your business. Next, let's talk a little bit about HR. So, for human resources, the challenge it's always balancing admin work with people work. So, your human resource team spends hours probably screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and managing onboarding. But where does the real value come from? It's probably engaging with the people, or I can tell you it is with engaging with the people, developing talent and fostering culture, real culture within your company. So these AI agents can take on the repetitive tasks like the resume screening, interview scheduling, and sending out documents, just giving your HR team the space to focus on the people side of HR. That's the real shift. AI isn't replacing people, it's giving them the time to do what only people can do. So, similar to before, use Zapier, use Make.com, use NAN to automate these simple HR processes like interview scheduling, document distribution. So let AI handle the admin work so your HR team can focus on, developing your company culture. So let's look at the true ROI of, reclaiming time and your money within the company. So if the only thing you'll get from this video is this one thing, then I'll be stoked. So please listen up. The true value of AI agents isn't just in saving time. It's in what the time represents. So time is the space to innovate, to strategize, to build relationships. It's also the space to stop reacting and start creating. So AI agents, they free up this time, allowing businesses to shift from survival mode to growth mode. So think about the hours your business spends on tasks that don't drive growth. Now imagine that those tasks are handled automatically and your team is freed up to focus on the strategic work that grows your business. So that's the ROI, not just dollars saved, but potential unlocked. So ultimately, implementing these AI agents, it's more than adopting new tools. It's about changing the way that you think about work. So it's about recognizing that not every task needs to be handled by a human. So when you automate the routine, you free your time to focus on, great things. So the future of work, it's about partnership, humans and AI working together synchronously. So these agents aren't here to replace us. They're here to take over the tasks that keep us from reaching full potentials. So when AI handles the routine, humans can focus on creativity, strategy, and relationships, the things machines can't actually do. So that's the real power of AI. It's not just about efficiency, it's about evolution. So businesses that do embrace this now are positioning themselves not just to survive, but to thrive. And the longer that you wait, the more your competitors will pull ahead, leveraging this power of AI to create more resilient, adaptable organizations. So, if you're ready to start unlocking the potential of AI and these agents into your business, the time to act is right now. So, these AI agents can automate the tasks that slow you down and free your team to focus on growth, whether it's customer support, sales, finance, HR. The benefits are real, and implementation, it's honestly easier than you think. So, with that being said, I want to thank you for sticking with me until the end, and I really hope you found some real value within this video and that you can recognize the importance of using these AI agents and now understand how practical they can be in just about any business position. But anyway, if you even have just a glimmer of faith in AI agents and what I just talked about, then listen up because you can leverage our AI systems to scale your business and completely eliminate your repetitive tasks by booking a free call with me. I'll show you how we drive revenue, save time in your business, and ultimately scale for growth so that you can finally step away from the daily ops. Also, be sure to join my Skull community because I'll be providing so much other valuable resources that'll help you grow and scale your business, which I don't provide on my YouTube. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.